हेलो and welcome. राधे राधे भाइयों और उनकी बहनों and a very warm welcome to all of you in another coding video. How is this happening? Two consecutive videos on the topic of development. Yeah, something is cooking. Nothing is cooking. Actually, I would say first of all, the video is coming after a week and I don't have any excuse this time. It's not like I give excuses every time when I don't upload videos. It's just like maybe I think I was busy. Maybe I think I was busy. Second of all, yeah, there was no content in between these two videos. So I thought, why not waste your time with just uploading any normal video of me speaking, because I already speak in every single video. So I thought, why not just surprise you all with two consecutive coding videos. So yeah, the last challenge, as I said, was pretty much cursed. This challenge is it was tough, even though I completed it on my own in the first try, but it took me some time and there was a lot of JavaScript included it in it. And yeah, it was a little bit of tough. It was junior to intermediate level, but yeah, mainly, see, I would say that JavaScript wasn't hard. The only hardest part was always CSS. Man, I am so frustrated with CSS now that why. Yeah, so without wasting any further more time, let's just jump right into the video and yeah, let's learn something. So hello and welcome to the laptop screen, and this time I'm not showing you guys what I needed to make. This is what I made, right? So as you can see, it's, if I zoom a little bit, even though I should not zoom because it's pretty big compared to the screen, right? So the name of this challenge was a newsletter form with success message. Now what is success message? As you can see, there's a picture on the right hand side. There is a little bit of messages and yeah, this part. Now as you can see, I have to write an email address in it, right? As the example says, email at company.com, so something like that you have to write in it. Let me try. I've already, so it's the same thing. Let me do the correct one first, right? So if I do the correct one, which is this one, email at something.com, you can write anything. And of course, look at that. I mean, come on. Are you guys not impressed with a little bit of CSS? Yeah. So now when I click on it, ta-da! So that's the success message. Now as you can see, thanks for subscribing, right? A confirmation email has been sent to. Now whichever email you write in there, that name or that email will appear here. So that's how I have coded it, right? Please send it and click the button inside the confirmation. As you can see, now if you click on the dismiss message, it will take you back to this website again. It's the same thing, right? When I do this, it comes back. Now let me show you the incorrect part, because there is also an invalid. For example, what is an invalid email address, right? I would say any other symbols like this. As you can see, I have a hash and a dollar sign and another at, which it just doesn't make sense, right? It should not be like this. And also saying a part following at should not contain the symbol at. Now if I click on subscribe, it says whole inputs turns red. It says valid email required, which means this is wrong. So you have to write a valid email. Now you can just clear all this, click on here. If you want to write, you can write, or you just do this, same thing, right? So a success message appears when your email address is correct, and an invalid message appears if your email address is wrong. Now it's pretty much this was the part. And I would say, now you're saying this, that in the previous videos where I made these challenges, where I completed these challenges, The main part was concentrated on the visual part. Now as you can see, we are progressing through the working part. Now you can see that my projects are a little bit of working in it. There are, and that is, I would say, the benefit of using JavaScript. That's how your whole website starts to feel more interactive, and that's how this is made with the help of JavaScript. Right, now let me show you guys the HTML part. Right, this is my GitHub. This is whole of the HTML part. As you can see, it's of 83 lines of code, not that much. So HTML is yeah, let me show you the styles part, CSS part. Here you can see this is your root. Root means basically your colors or whichever things you want to assign prerequisite, right? Now if I see how many, yeah, 216 to 15 lines of code. The last one was like almost 200. It's more than a little bit more than 200, right? The main part was, of course, the minimum width media query. What media query does is, it will look different in the mobile version and it will look different on the tablet version, and same with the desktop version. So it will look different on all the three screen sizes, and that's how you can do it, or you can achieve it by using the media query, right? I'll show you in a minute that how it will look in on the mobile version. So pretty much simple. This was the success container, and yeah, let me show you the JavaScript now, because like that was the main thing in this whole challenge. Yeah, it is 34 lines of code. But what is actually happening in JavaScript? See, the whole point of making this was that it first of all takes the input in the input thing, the email which you can write. It checks if the email is correct or not. If it is correct, then it will show you the success message. If it is wrong, then it will show you the invalid message. So it's basically an if else statement. If you try to understand it, pretty much simple, right? But you have to just check. So what I've done here is I've made an array of symbols that could make the email as invalid, right? So I have made that. Then I have taken the input from the input type of email address. Now I have done that, and then I have created a for loop. Check if that contains any of this. If this contains, if it is true or if it is false, then you should say and add the class invalid input. If it is true, then you should not that. And yeah, it's basically that. So JavaScript is basically, whenever you have a problem, you try to feel that, yeah, that is, or I would say you try to understand what is the problem, then you try and write any algorithm or pseudocode in my opinion. And just because JavaScript is, I would say, it's more of an English language, so whenever you do that, you can pretty much do that. And yeah, so that was basically it. Now if I show you guys, if I let me show you guys, yeah, this is your desktop version, right? This is the same thing that I made. This is your in let me one more say error state, right? The same thing, valid email required, it whole turns red and the invalid turns red, right? There's also an success state, as we have seen, it's correct. And now let me show you the mobile design. It's pretty much that your the picture turns up there and whole of your description part goes below it, and email address is here. And yeah, this was it. Pretty, I would say I'm pretty proud of it. Every time I say that, I'm pretty proud of it. Yeah, it was difficult, and yeah, let me go back. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, oh wait a second, I have to do this part in normal one. So yeah, that was it, and I think I took a lot of time there. I don't know, but I hope you guys understood a little bit of things, right? I don't want that I just make a 3 or 4 minute video, or I could just make a short, right, telling you guys that I've made this. I want you guys to understand what I was I want myself to understand what I did, right? So whenever I speak in front of it, I try to summarize whatever I have done in making that project. It helps me in memorizing, or I would say revising stuff that what I have actually done in that project. And also my main task is for you guys to understand what I am actually doing, so that you guys, could learn a little bit through my videos. So it doesn't look like that I'm just making these videos for like useless purposes. It's not, it's actually for some purpose. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I think it's gonna be a very long video. I don't know, I feel like it's gonna be a very long video. But if you think I talk a lot and I don't tell you a lot, sorry for that if you don't like that. But I really hope if you should like this. So if you do, then please leave a like, share and comment. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. And before peacing out, I would like to tell you guys that I might I might go to my first hackathon, and I might vlog it. Not vlog it, but actually show you. Yeah, you know how I vlog, right? So yeah, that might happen. And yeah, wish me luck. Peace. Peace. Not this peace. Not Zuma. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Radhe Radhe.